Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a newsletter with Substack, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Substack website. Click on the Get Started button located on the home page. You will need to create an account. Enter your email address and choose a password. After signing up, check your email for a verification link. Click on the link to verify your account. Now, log into your Substack account. You will be greeted with a setup prompt. Begin by choosing a name for your newsletter. Make sure the name reflects your content and style. Next, select a custom URL for your newsletter. This will be the web address where your newsletter can be found. Now, choose an appropriate description for your newsletter. You can also select a display name for your author profile. This name is how your readers will recognize you. Once you've completed these steps, click Next. Now, it's time to configure your subscription options. Decide whether you want to offer free subscriptions, paid subscriptions, or both. If you choose paid subscriptions, set your price tier. Next, select your payment options. Substack will guide you through connecting a payment method for paid subscriptions. After that, it's time to customize your newsletter's appearance. Select a theme that aligns with your brand. You can also upload a logo or header image if desired. Now focus on creating your first post. Click on the New Post button in the dashboard. Write an engaging title for your post. In the body, add valuable content that resonates with your audience. Feel free to format your text using headings, links, and images. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.